The second of the two videos is just to revise how you find the equation of a graph. In the first example, I've chosen to find the equation of a parabola, and I have given you both the turning point and, in this case, the y-intercept. Remember that when you are given the turning point of a parabola, the easiest equation to use is y is equal to ax minus p squared plus q, because the turning point is always pq. So in this particular case, I have x minus 1 plus 4. To find that last constant, all I do is I substitute in the value of another ordered pair. You cannot use the 0.14 again, or you'll get the true but very uninteresting statement that naught equals naught. You need to substitute in a point that you haven't already used. So here I have, when y is 3, my x value is 0. So 3 is equal to minus 1 squared times a plus 4. My a value is negative 1. Always look at the answer that you get and check to see if it makes sense. And in this case, you can see that you have a parabola with a negative shape. You anticipate that your a value is going to be minus 1. The second of the two examples deals with finding the equation of a hyperbola. The general format for the hyperbola is a over x minus p plus q. And p and q are going to be given to you as the values of those asymptotes. The equation of this asymptote is y is equal to negative 2. That means that when I substitute into this equation over here, my q value is going to be minus 2. The vertical asymptote has the equation x is equal to 1, and therefore my p value is 1. So far I've got that my y value is equal to a over x minus 1 minus 2. How do I calculate the value of that constant a, which, by the way, I anticipate to turn out to be a positive number, just looking at my picture? Well, I need another point on the graph, okay? I have drawn this graph so that you can see that that point over there is 4 and 0. I'm going to substitute that point into my equation, and so when y is equal to 0, my x value is 4. Means I have naught is equal to a over 3 minus 2. 2 is equal to a over 3. My a value is 6. That means that the equation of my hyperbola, don't forget to actually answer the question, is 6 over x minus 1 minus 2. Now I need you to do question 4. Question 4, I have just given you a table of graphs, and I simply want you to match the equation with the picture that has been given to you and write down the letter of the corresponding equation. Thank you.